I get asked all the time, what is my number one tip for people who are just starting out in SEO, trying to understand SEO and trying to teach themselves? I'm not gonna lie, but most of the education that is out there on Google around how to become an SEO or SEO beginner tips and tricks is coming from platforms that have tools like Ahrefs, Moz, SEMRush. Their quality of content and education is really good. I'm not saying that, but what I am saying is that often a lot of SEOs come into the marketplace and they actually don't learn to think for themselves. They rely so heavily on the tools. So my number one tip for anyone trying to learn SEO is to go and find a niche and set up a website and start trying to rank for keywords. You will learn so much more going grassroots and getting stuck in than reading blog after blog after blog and tapping into tools and integrating SEO that way. This is exactly what I did when I first started, and I can't tell you how much it helped me actually doing it, physically doing it. You can read about it for days, but until you start doing it, that's when things start clicking, I promise you. So I would use something that's quite easy, like Squarespace, and then play around.